Mi Q1 4K Ultra HD Smart Android QLED TV L75M6 ESG in the color metallic grey. It also comes with pattern variant OLED series and in sizes 55 inches and 75 inches. With an Ultra HD 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 120 Hz of refresh rate and 178-degree wide viewing angle. This TV features quantum dot display, premium metal bezel-less design and full array local dimming. It also has Vivid Picture Engine and Dolby Vision. It comes with HDR10+, HLG, 100% color volume and 95% DCI P3. This smart TV features Android TV 10, PatchWall 4 with IMDb integration. It comes with Kids mode with Parental lock. It provides 75+ free live channels, universal search and 16+ language option. With its quad-core processor, built-in Wi-Fi and hands-free Google Assistant, it features auto low latency mode and 2 GB RAM plus 32 GB storage. It has 3 HDMI ports to connect latest gaming consoles, set-top box and Blu-ray players. The 2 USB ports are present to connect hard drives and other USB devices. It features Bluetooth version 5.0, provides 30 watts sound output with 6 speakers setup.